Welcome back to the Ambition Over Fear portal. I'm Atlas Opia and I help people expand their interdimensional knowledge. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to astral travel into the reality you desire to experience. Because truly, our right as interdimensional souls on this planet is to understand how reality works so we can shift it and move parts around, which then allow us to be here in alignment with what we're healing and where we want to go. Now, if you're back on this channel or if you're new here, definitely subscribe, because the whole intention of this channel is to give starseeds the energy enhancement you need to truly thrive on this planet and understand how your own system works. And if you watch until the end of this video, I'll be handing out a very powerful special gift that I think you'll truly enjoy. Now, to jump right into it, astral traveling is when you take your consciousness outside of your body. The truth is, we do it all the time when we're focusing on our five senses, or we're daydreaming, or allowing ourselves to feel into our manifestation to a point where we're traveling time and space and we realize that there is more to what meets the eye than what our five senses can pick up on. So we go into our imagination, we feel into a version of reality that better suits our soul, and we allow ourselves to play there. That is astral traveling. And as we do it and we take our mind to other places with the imagination, we're actually taking our consciousness outside of our body. But our mind doesn't fully think we're doing that. So we have to really explain to the mind that statement. Whenever I am thinking about something outside of my own body and I can feel into it, I can become it in a way. With that focus, I am astral traveling to that particular energy. So when you're really understanding that your limitations are just part of your mind unlearning what it thinks it can't do, because your mind wants to summon all the energy to do something, because we're trained in society and the modern day world to believe that good things come through excruciating amounts of energy and effort day in, day out. And even though you have to put energy towards your manifestation, aligning with that energy can be as simple as thinking of it, feeling into who you want to be and what you want to create, and explaining to your body and mind that by you thinking of this thing, you are now becoming it entirely. You are now shifting into it entirely. And then you embody the element of water and you truly allow yourself to shapeshift into the thing you're wanting to manifest. So how you do it first off is you explain to your body as you're thinking of what you're wanting to manifest and the timeline you're moving into. You explain to your body, you have a communication with it, you start up a conversation, because your mind and your body are entities of consciousness that exist in your system. Okay? And you tell your body to become flexible. You imagine it moving around like water, because water becomes any state that it is forced to be in, or it is guided to be in. And you allow your cells and your subatomic particles to move into what you're thinking about. So then you're thinking about that manifestation again, the version of reality you're wanting to create. Then you allow your mind to slowly understand that you are now rearranging it, its neuroplasticity, its connections to match that frequency. Because you are the soul, you're the divine mother and father, and you're going to parent your emotions, your body, and your mind. So to astral travel into that new reality, all you really have to do is take a moment to relearn how you think reality works. Take a moment to understand that whenever you think about something, you explain to your mind, I am going to move my consciousness into that thing. And then with your body, you explain to it that you are now going to feel the thing you're thinking about entirely. And the more you can release where you're at or who you are, and you think of where you're going, and you communicate with your mind and body to release control and merge into that new energy and become it, now you're taking gentle, momentary, partial astral traveling into shape-shifting into an energy you're wanting to move into. Now, I want to tell you, if you're a starseed, if you're a powerful soul, I know how intense it can be on this planet. And that's why I'm offering every single person watching this video a free starseed coaching session, because you have access to interdimensional skills that can allow you to change energy in the metaphysical realm, which directly translates to different results in your physical realm. And sometimes you just need a way to organize your own skills in a structure that makes sense to your mind. So as you're moving around your day, you can solve problems, create enhancements in any area of life you desire. So click the description down below, and if you're truly ready to experience the next level and be open to something new and be open to a new era of spiritual technology that your starseed essence craves, because in order for it to come out, it has to be used, it has to be activated. So I love to meet you soon. The link is in the description. Book your free coaching session right now, and I look forward to meeting you, and let me know if you have any other questions. All right, talk to you guys soon.